Welcome to our channel. Setting up iMessage on your Mac creates seamless communication across your Apple devices. Here are the easy steps to get started. Step 1. Click on the Messages app icon in your Mac's dock or find it in the Applications folder. Step 2. When Messages opens for the first time, you'll see a setup screen. Click Continue to proceed. Step 3. Enter your Apple ID and password when prompted. This should be the same Apple ID used on your iPhone. Step 4. Read and agree to the iMessage terms and conditions. Step 5. Choose which phone numbers and email addresses you want to receive messages at. Select the ones you prefer. Step 6. Configure your message preferences including notification sounds and message effects. Step 7. Messages will sync with your iCloud account and download recent conversations. This may take a few moments depending on your message history. Step 8. Send a test message to ensure iMessage is working correctly. You should see blue bubbles for iMessages and green for SMS messages sent through your iPhone. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.